got TV up. Black male, all black, running across the field, northbound. I believe that's a passenger. Driver's still in the vehicle. Let me see your hands! Drop the phone! Drop the phone! Turn around! Is anybody else in the vehicle? Why didn't you pull over?
I don't know. You
Put your hands behind your back.
You got beside me, and I got scared, sir. That's all. I just got scared. I didn't know you was behind me. I wasn't paying attention. You was behind me until you got beside me. I got scared. I ain't got nothing on me. Can I bend down and pick my phone? I don't got nothing on me. This is my phone. This is my phone. This is my phone.
That's fine. Stay right here.
I don't got nothing.
Stay right there.
Okay.
Yeah, Teen Hope. Northbound from 160, tow pursuit, black male, all black, north of my patrol car.
That's your driver?
That's gonna be driver, that's handcuffed. Passenger's gonna be running. She's handcuffed. She's still at the vehicle. Temple. Gotcha. Watch my car. Get out of the road. Lean on my hood. All right, spread your feet. Spread your feet. Spread them. Ain't playing no games with you.
Oh man, come on, bro. I got the handcuffs on me, bro. I ain't get on. I ain't good, man. That ain't in the wrong beat. You get dog bit. Shit, I ain't good, man.
Took off running, that's all playing.
Alright.
That's against the law, fix it now. Where you from? Arkansas, Texas?
Louisiana.
Well, guess what? Arkansas, Texas, Louisiana, all the same thing. Look at you running, it's short, dude. Hope y'all again, sounds like.
Yeah, anything tucked under your nuts?
Wanna look?
I don't want to look. I just want to make sure you ain't got nothing.
Make sure.
That's going to be an extra charge.
You gotta make sure though. Make sure. Here. So I don't want you to be like, you know.
Oh, you said there ain't nothing. If you go to jail,
I want you to be
It's going to be on you.
I don't want to be out there. Got some shit on me, that's shit.
Other side.
Huh?
Other side. What?
Yeah.
Money in your sock?
Yeah.
Alright, give me just a second. Hang tight right there. I'm gonna get your cuffs off and give them back to you. See.
That's a good thing. Now you might be out of your phone,
Alright, face my car. Face my car.
I'll put my pants up a little bit. Yeah, one thing I'm losing them there, y'all don't shoot me.
Hands out of your pants.
Y'all white. I'm black and y'all white, so you do everything better. Fix business, work down,
Why'd you get caught then? Alright, hop in here.
Mr. Parks, appreciate you, bro. Bluetooth.
Turn it over to me, I'll take it.
Alright.
All I need is your video and your incident report.
Alright.
And I'll do the boat part. Well, you got to do the warrant anyway on the police, so
Yeah.
if you want to do it all, you can.
Yeah, that's my first one, so I had to.
It'd be easier that way since you already got to do that anyway.
All I heard was maybe 160.
Well, dude, I was coming down the hill.
160.
And I seen him turn around. Well, he shot somebody. Well, I got up here and I seen the car. I was like, no, they got arrested. Well, then I got closer and I seen her down the hood with the handcuffs. And I was like, oh, crap.
Well,
And I was like, well, where's he at? I was on my way. And then I looked and, dude, they were past that grass out there. And I was like, holy crap. Well, then he seen me and he started coming back. I said, no, go.
nobody heard it on county, so I told the county, I guess that's how. So I was like, nobody heard it. I was like, cool.
I got shit to do, bro.
You got shit to do?
Yeah, man. Fucking
Alright, well, you're going to have to hang tight. You hot or cold?
It don't matter, bro. I'm good.
Alright, well, I'm going to put the AC on.
Man, y'all hear up, man. Y'all trying to turn about this weekend at the school.